Whether you own a restaurant, a grocery store, or any other business that requires reliable refrigeration, GNP Mechanical has got you covered. We offer a wide range of services including installation, repair, and maintenance. When it comes to commercial refrigeration, GNP Mechanical is the best in the local Houston industry. When it comes to commercial refrigeration, you want nothing but the best. And that's exactly what you'll get with GNP Mechanical. Call today at 713-351-9720. We have a team of highly skilled technicians who are experts in the field of commercial services. They have years of experience under their belt and are well-versed in the latest refrigeration technologies and techniques. Whether you need a new refrigeration system installed or your existing one repaired, you can trust GNP Mechanical to get the job done right. Call today and schedule an on-site visit and consultation at 713-351-9720 or visit our website